Hey guys, as you can see, I got little man here. Hi! And you guys have been asking me to put him in a video. So today we are going to unbox a snack crate and we're going to do a little review on it. And tell him. He's going to be the judge and we're going to see what we got. So opening it up. And ooh, yeah, got some stickers. You like the stickers? You like the stickers? Tell him you like the stickers. Tell him you like the stickers. Tell him the stickers are cool. And it looks like this snack crate is from. That's right, Hawaii. Hawaii. Tell him Hawaii. Tell him Hawaii. All right, so let's see what we got here. First thing, we have some luau barbecue rings, Hawaiian, crispy golden rings of sweet and spicy barbecue flavor. You want to try one? Ready to try one? Here, put that down. And here's a ring. Tell them how it is. Oh, mine. Is it good? What do you think? What do you think? It's good? Is it good? He likes them. He likes them, so they are good. I've actually had these before though, so I've had the sweet onion ones. These are better. But luau barbecue rings, pretty good so far. We got, oh, I can't even read this. Aloha Piaka Hawaii. Tell them what it is. Tell them. Alright, so this. What is this? What is this? I'm not gonna lie, it smells like bread. It's shortbread with pineapple filling. It kind of tastes like a Fig Newton, but with a pineapple. We got more. We got more, buddy. He seems to like it. Give me that. There we go. Got some Hawaiian cookies, candy bead. Get your drink. Want your drink? No drink? Okay. Alright, reach in there and get you one. I don't got it, it's in there. You got two. You got two. Give me one. All right. You like those? You like those? Good? He likes them. They are good. Here, get your drink. That was good. All right, what else we got? We got We're gonna wait on those. We got some Essentially Chewy fruit candy. Some high chew. I've actually heard of these. These are pineapple. I've actually heard of these. I've never tried them. But apparently they're really good. I have a buddy who eats these all the time. And I don't know if I want to give you this. I don't know. I don't know. You eat your cookie. All right. Oh, dude. These are really good. These are like if Starburst was like real fruit. Are you waving at them? Yeah, you got wave. Here, give it a bye. What do you think? Yeah, that's my finger you're biting, dude. What do you think? Bite? What you think? Are they good? Well, here, spit it. No? He doesn't like that one. I did. Alright, and the last thing, well, not the last thing, because I got some hard candy. This is some Asia Trans Li Hing Moi Rainbow Belts. Can you say Ling Hing Moi? Alright. Oh my god. Okay, these are delicious and super sweet. These are like if fruit roll-ups met Airheads. Give it a try. Mmm. Mmm. You didn't even finish your cookie yet. Here, I'm gonna eat that. You like those? Those are good? He likes them. Bye. You tell them. All right. And so the last thing I have is some plum candy. Plum candy. Go ahead and eat that. It is. There is like a piece of fruit in it. I don't know if you can see that. There is a piece of plum in that. All right. Give it a lick. No, you got that. I got this. I got this. Oh. Oh, what? Oh. Why is it salty? What the? What are you out on here? Why is it? It doesn't say why it's salty. It's like. Oh. Here, you try that. No, just lick it. What do you think? Yeah. Okay, so this I'm not sure about. Yeah, we'll put that back in there. I'm not sure about that one. That is a little bit too weird. It's hard candy that tastes like pineapple. Here you go. Have another one of these. Get you another one of this. And yeah, I'm not sure about it. It was a little bit too weird. Which one you want? Which one? You want this little cool guy? Or you want the rooster? How about the little girl? The surfer dude? The rooster. Alright. So. There we go. And. Boom. He's a rooster. Yeah. It's still there. Alright, so there you have it. Snack crate. Hawaii. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Hawaiian snack crate, and I'm getting fit some more. Can I talk? Can I tell them? Can I tell them what we think? Hawaiian snack crate. For the most part, Hawaiian snacks are really good. Mostly pineapple flavored. I kind of expected like some Spam. Okay, well here, get you another one. Get you another one. You don't have to fight about it. All right, let me get out of here. Bye. Bye.